Hi, I'm Corinne with Thompson RV in Pendleton, Oregon. Today we're standing in the Timber Ridge 24 RLS Titanium Series built by Outdoors RV Manufacturing over in La Grande, Oregon. So this is by far and away one of our most popular floor plans because it's under 30 feet. So it comes in at 28 foot 8 inches tip to tip, which is the exact same length as the Timber Ridge 24 RKS. So people are constantly comparing the two of those because it's in the length that they want. So this particular model is very popular because of the wraparound windows, the two rocker recliners, and they swivel as well. You've got a little table here. So you've got this seating, and then you also have the big mountain dinette over here, plus ample counter space. So I'm going to do a quick walkthrough on this model and show you how the floor plan is laid out. And then I'm going to show you the outside and kind of all the technical stuff where everything is located as far as dump valves and things like that. And then we will do a panoramic view of the whole trailer at the very end of the video. So we'll start right here. Like I said, two rocker recliners in the back. This has been really nice. The only downside is that to bring the slide out in, which I will show you later, you do have to swivel these around and latch them down, just because, as you can see, the slide out can't come in with the chair sitting like this. So we have to twist them around to bring that slide out in. Over here, we have the kitchen for the 24 RLS. Lots of counter space because there's a little bit of added space on the other side of the stove. You have a plug-in right here at the edge where you can't see it, right next to the flip-up countertop extension. And then you've got, in the Titanium series, you have the electronic ignition oven, the high arc faucet. If you haven't already seen it, we do a Titanium versus Mountain series video, just because I can't possibly show you all of the options right here in this video and keep it, in a short length of time. So be sure and watch that video if you're curious what the differences are. When you bump up to the Titanium, you get a lot of added features, some of which I will point out. You also have another 110 outlet right over here, a bank of drawers, a pot and pan drawer, spice rack, knife rack behind the stove, and then under cabinet storage. And you also have access to the water heater. We've removed this panel just to show you that, but this would pop right on over there. Now going over here, you've got the mountain dinette. This does make down into a bed, so if you do need to sleep somebody, this makes into a very large bed. It's also a very sturdy table, which is very important, especially if you have little kids like me, so your coffee doesn't get spilled. Two big drawers underneath here. And then also, it's a little harder to access, but if you take off these cushions and take off the fiberglass board piece that's in there, you have some extra storage on each side of the dinette. Also wraparound windows. So this unit has a lot of light, including a skylight. Then you've got good TV viewing location. So the TV is right here, which is nice for when you're sitting in the chairs because it's directly across from it. You can also bring this out and swivel it, or swivel it this way towards the dinette. CD DVD player. And then this actually, you have speakers outside and inside. So you can listen to music outside. You can Bluetooth your phone. You can also turn off those outside speakers and have surround sound when you're watching a DVD in your trailer. Extra storage under here. One thing that we get asked a lot is no, the fireplace will not fit in here. It's too shallow right here. So this and the 26 kVS, you're not allowed to get, you can't get a fireplace just because there's not enough depth. So now I'll walk you through into the bedroom and the bathroom. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention is your refrigerator's right here. It's the big 8 cubic foot. And then you have a nice pantry here and a couple of extra drawers. This is a 2-door model. So you do have an extra entry door right here. You'll see it in the panoramic view, but you also have a nice closet here with one extra drawer. The bed lifts up. You have storage under the bed as well as 2 drawers, one on each side. Because it's the titanium, you get the solid surface countertops on each side of the bed, under cabinet lighting, and then the nice new reading lights. Hit once for a night light, hit twice for a reading light, and then the big front windshield. The front windshield, I've been asked, what if I don't want the light coming in, or what if it's really cold and I want added insulation? So I'll show you. It actually comes with a nice big insulated pillow that you just stuff right in there for extreme cold, I suppose extreme heat, and then also just to black out the bedroom. Over here, you've got a shirt ward on each side of the bed, bedroom TV, overhead cabinets. This particular model is equipped with the Zamp solar on the roof, so that's where the charge controller goes. And then we stock all of our units with the Max Air Deluxe vent fans. So that is what this handy little remote is here. Now let's take a peek at the bathroom. Okay, so here in the bathroom, you've got a nice glass corner shower, solid surface countertops with an underslung stainless steel sink in the titanium series, along with that lighted magnified vanity mirror, a nice cabinet, lots of towel hooks. Again, we stock ours with the Max Air Deluxe vent fans. And then, silly to note, but very important, an air conditioning duct in the bathroom, as well as heat duct. When you're cold and you come into the bathroom in the middle of the night, it's very nice to have a heated bathroom. Okay, so as you can see with the slide out in, we've got these two chairs turned sideways, but there is plenty of room to walk all the way through to the bedroom, bathroom. You could also hop in the bedroom door if you wanted to, but there's no need to. You can easily access the fridge, the countertop, anything you might need going down the road. So here we are on the outside of the Timber Ridge 24 RLS. Rear entry door, triple aluminum step, lend-a-hand grab handle. The awning is almost the entire length of the trailer. Something I don't know that I've ever pointed out in any of my videos, but Outdoors RV uses the longest awning possible on every single unit. A lot of other manufacturers don't do this because they want to save money, so they'll give you just a stubby little awning that won't even cover, both your doors. So this is a huge awning, aluminum wrap, and they even put the support in the center because it is a long awning. Outside speakers. This is access to your water heater. This is your tank fill. So if you're going to be running off of the tank and not off of city water, that's where you would fill your tank. You've got the Off-Road X4 package. We order all of our Timber Ridges with the 16-inch wheels and tires. And then standard across the board on the Outdoors RV is going to be the Off-Road X4 package, which consists of the More Ride CRE 3000 suspension, heavy-duty shackles with greasable zerts and bronze bushings. They also have the KYB off-road shocks. This is just access to your refrigerator, access to your furnace, 110 outlets in case you want to plug in something 110 out here like a TV or a little mini fridge or something like that. That's where you would plug that in. Your second entry door into the bedroom. These are pre-wired for up to 370 watt solar panels on the roof, but you also have a port for up to 200 watts of portable solar here on the side. I'm a fan of roof mount solar panels just because I can't be trusted to remember to pack my solar panel with me. But if you can be trusted to do that, then you can get a portable panel. You can have it out here plugged in. Some people like it because they can move it around with the sun or get it out of the trees. They do extra thick baggage doors, magnetic latches and slam latch locks. Everything in here is all fully insulated. And then you've got your rubberized diamond plate flooring cover. You also have a battery kill switch. And then this particular model is a titanium, so it has the auto level. You've got some auto level controls inside as well. Slam latch luggage doors, again, super cool. This is a Timber Ridge model. So the Creekside has a half front cap. Timber Ridge has a full front cap. So does the Blackstone, so does the Backcountry series. Because it's the titanium, again, you have the front windshield. Right over here, you've got a little toy lock, cable lock. That comes with a key. So you can pull out a cable lock, lock up your barbecue, bicycles, whatever, and lock it back into itself. That comes on the trailer if you order the mountain storage package. So you end up with a rear receiver hitch and then the toy lock on the front. That's a group package. Two 7.5 gallon propane tanks, also known as 30-pound tanks. This is equipped with just the 2 battery rack. You also have the option of getting the 4 battery plate. You've got this handy little caddy where you can hook your safety chains as well as your 7-way cable to keep them up off the ground when it's just sitting around. You've got your front power jack. This one's lifted up off the ground, which is what it does when you use the auto leveling system. It actually lifts the entire tongue right off the ground. Over here, you've got another slam latch baggage door. So that's all pass-through, full pass-through storage. Black tank flush to rinse out your black tank once you're done dumping the waste. Power cord, this is where it hooks up on this model. Your satellite and your cable hookup. And then right here where these kayak hatches are, this is where you've got your black and your gray valve handles and a handy little dump light. Insulated outside shower. If you are in a park and you want to run off of city water, you would do that right here with a water regulator, of course. This model is a titanium, so it comes standard with the slide topper over the slide out. And then here on the back, this is the receiver hitch I was talking about that comes with the mountain storage system. So that's a 2-inch receiver. It holds up to 250 pounds. It's great for bicycles or one of those hitch hauls that comes off that you can put on cooler, firewood, whatever. Backup lights are a titanium feature. High gloss fiberglass exterior and the frameless windows, as well as a backup camera. The backup camera is not an option on the Mountain Series or the Backcountry Series from the factory as of right now, but that is something that we can install here at the dealership on one of those models, but it comes standard on the titanium. Thank you for watching our video on the Timber Ridge 24 RLS Titanium Series. We have a lot more videos showcasing floor plans on our YouTube channel. If there's one in particular that you're looking for, we're trying to get them done as soon as each model comes in. So I know we've got a 21 KVS coming up and a few other models, so be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel if there's something you want to see, but it hasn't been released yet, because then you'll get a notification every time we upload a new video. So let us know if you have any questions, and have a wonderful day. I already screwed up, but okay, keep going. All right. Did you stop it?